great speech.
Yeah.
Yeah, with technology at best. Yeah, there we go.
Helps us every day.
4.0
every day.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's continue.
Yeah, so Construction Company of the Year, and I'd like to invite up to help us hand out this award, Renata Olszewska from CEE. Renata, please come on up and help us hand this award out.
And we have 3 nominees in this category. Here they are. CFE Poland, Kajima, and Synergy Construct. 3
Renata,
nominees.
thank you for helping us hand this award out, and I know Renata's also doing another conference next week, and if you want to say a few words about this other conference, because it's really going to be cool, and we're media partners of it.
Yes, Craig is kind to be a media partner for SAR conference, which is international conference, which is going to be held in Sofitel next week. We are having like 160 guests outside of Poland, all from real estate market. We are going to have an inspirational speaker, Lech Wałęsa. So if anyone want to join and register, still time available. So thank you for this time slot.
Sure.
Construction company, it is very tough business, so this award is very important these days.
It's a tough business. You were saying easy, before construction was an easy sector.
But these days it's very difficult.
Okay.
So, Construction Company of the Year, Kajima.
Welcome to the stage, and
maybe I will start. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'm happy. On behalf of my colleagues from Kajima Poland, Kajima Czech, from the office and also from the construction side, I can tell only thank you very much from my whole heart. Arigato gozaimasu, and see you next year.
And we are really happy to be recognized already second time in the row in this competition. So thank you to our clients who see our development in Poland and Czech Republic, and obviously to jury. Without you, it wouldn't be possible. Thank you.
Thank you, and congratulations.
Congratulations again, and have a nice evening. Thank you for supporting the event and coming to tonight.